Hey everyone, and welcome back to the Tech Magazine channel.
This is the future of finance, direct and completely in your control. Look at your phone right now. Think about your banking app. You open it, you tap a few buttons, maybe you send some money to a friend, or check your savings. Now, erase all of that. The Bank of 2026 doesn't have branches, human financial advisors, or even a send button. Why? Because we are living right in the middle of a massive collision between the old guard of Wall Street and a digital titan racing to automate wealth itself. We aren't talking about basic automated savings anymore. We are talking about the holy grail of Fintech, autonomous banking, a self-driving financial ecosystem where AI agents manage your assets, optimize your taxes, and approve your loans in milliseconds. We are talking about without a single human in the loop. If the digital disruptor wins this race, JPMorgan's historic legacy vanishes into the background. If JPMorgan pivots fast milliseconds, Fintech revolution as we know it ends today. Grab your coffee, because today we break down the brutal battle for the world's first truly autonomous bank. To understand this fight, we have to talk about what autonomous finance actually means. Digital banking was just a prettier interface on top of a slow system. You still had to make the decisions. But right now, the industry is shifting from reactive apps to proactive AI agents. These are specialized algorithms that don't wait for you to log in. They analyze your cash flow, spending patterns, and move your money around the world to generate yield before you even realize you have extra cash. Don't wait for you to log in. Here's where the friction starts. This is a battle of code versus clout, and the two giants leading the charge could not be more different. But here is where
On one side, you have JPMorgan Chase. They are an absolute juggernaut, managing trillions of dollars. But their biggest strength is also their biggest anchor, legacy infrastructure. JPMorgan operates on core banking frameworks that have sections written in COBOL, a programming language from the previous century. Upgrading that is like trying to replace the engine of a commercial airplane while it's flying at 30,000 feet. On the flip side, look at Revolut. They built their house on a cloud-native infrastructure from day one. They don't have to patch together ancient databases, they scale their microservices instantly. When an AI model needs to process massive amounts of transaction telemetry, Revolut systems can handle it seamlessly, while traditional systems get bogged down in institutional red tape. This is a trillion-dollar conflict. The winner won't just get more users, they will dictate the absolute global standard for how humanity interacts with money. Let's look at how the challenger is playing this game. Revolut isn't just trying to copy traditional wealth management, they are building a hyper-personalized engine. Imagine an algorithm that actively scans global markets. It looks at crypto trends, tracks cross-border currency arbitrage, calculates your local tax liabilities in real time, and automatically rebalances your portfolio. It does, for a 22-year-old with $500, what Wall Street used to do exclusively for ultra-high net worth individuals with private family offices. This capability creates what we call
the two worlds
a viral
never met.
Banking loop. By offering low-fee or completely free autonomous trading and high-yield automated vaults, Revolut attracts Gen Z and alpha demographics at a customer acquisition cost that makes traditional banks cry. They don't need expensive television ads or stadium sponsorships. Their product loops drive the growth organically because the user experience is native to how our generation operates. And they aren't stopping there. To speed up their timeline, Revolut has been quietly acquiring highly specialized AI
check my Revolut
startups.
vault right now.
They are buying the niche brains of the fintech world. Companies that specialize in natural language underwriting, and predictive
Check my
liquidity
Revolut
models
vault.
to bridge the gap between being a cool multi-currency app and a truly universal autonomous bank.
Natural language underwriting engine, and a predictive liquidity model, all slotting into a single, unified intelligence. A natural language Now, if you want to see exactly how this kind of predictive automated asset allocation operates in real life, you can actually see Digital Asset Platform, utilized with built-in AI trading bots. I've partnered with Binance, the largest digital asset platform. Use my official referral link in the description below to unlock and X trading fees. Check it out, and let's get right to the battle. I've partnered with Binance. So, who actually takes the crown? If we look at the trajectory toward a fully autonomous financial ecosystem that requires absolutely zero user input by 2027, the timeline is tight.
JPMorgan has the capital. They spend over $15 billion a year on technology alone. They are hiring thousands of AI engineers. But their rollout is slow because they are heavily bound by compliance, systemic risk, and a legacy mindset. Revolut, meanwhile, is moving at terminal velocity. They are shipping features weekly, testing boundaries, and capturing the youth market before Wall Street even schedules a committee meeting.
Here isn't just about which stock ticker goes up. It's about what happens to the global financial labor market as these autonomous AI agents begin to replacing the entire trading floor.
The traditional career paths in banking are shifting overnight. The kid who writes the optimization script is replacing the entire trading floor. If you want to position your own assets as these two giants dismantle traditional finance, you need to understand that liquidity and agility are king. Relying on slow, high-fee traditional advisors is a losing game. You want to be on platforms that integrate predictive AI natively, giving you the same technological leverage as institutional players.
The battle for the world's first autonomous bank is far from over, but the lines are clearly drawn. Are you betting on Wall Street's legacy scale or the neobank's pure code? Let me know your thoughts in the comments down below. Do you trust an AI agent to completely manage your net worth? Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, drop a like if this breakdown brought you. Stay agile, stay informed.